Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do something fun. We're going to take a brand new direct gas impingement AR15 and we're going to run it till it pukes. What do I mean by that? Well, this rifle is a BCM. We do sell these over at Copper. On top of it we have a Trigicon, which you can pick up at Copper as well, and an ADM quick detach mount. This is a basic bare bones BCM AR15 5.56 direct gas impingement, unmodified outside of the red dot sight and this vertical grip on it. So we're going to take this gun and we're going to shoot the ammunition that you see here, and we're going to see if we can get this gun to puke. So why are we doing this? A lot of folks out there seem to think that direct gas impingement is unreliable because it poops where it eats, right? How many times have you heard that? So we're going to take this DI gun, and today we have 1,000 rounds. We're going to do this in 1,000 round increments, and when we're done at the end of the day, assuming the gun hasn't blown up or otherwise failed, we're going to wrap the receiver in tape so we can't take it apart and clean it. All we're going to do today is start off by simply wiping down the bolt carrier group with some CLP, the good old-fashioned military stuff. And once we get the gun wiped down the first time, we're just going to keep shooting it until it dies. Now, if the gun starts to get a little bit sluggish or something like that, not failing, but just starting to slow down, may put a little bit of lubricant on it, but for the most part, we're not going to clean the gun, and we're just going to keep it with minimal lubrication. The whole point of this exercise is just to see how reliable or unreliable a direct gas impingement gun is. No bore obstructions. The gun has not been fired outside of the factory test firing that may have been done. And that's it. So we have a mix of magazines and ammunition. We have some Federal M193 ball, and you can see that stuff here by the case color. And then we have some Fiocchi, again 55 grain ball ammunition. We have two different types of magazines out here. We have our Lancers, and then we have some Sure Feeds from OK Industries. These are military magazines. All right, we've had pretty good luck with both. We've had one bad Sure Feed out of the entire lot. We've taken it out of the mix. Here's 1,000 rounds of ammunition. This last magazine has 10 rounds in it. And we're going to shoot all this ammunition today. We're going to run it in about 5 magazine groups so we don't get the gun overly hot. And yeah, if we get done today, we're going to wrap the receiver in tape, sign it, and then we'll come back out again. We'll bring out some more ammunition and we'll resume shooting, and we'll continue this exercise throughout the summer if we're lucky, and see how many rounds it takes to kill a direct gas impingement AR-15. So this should be a lot of fun and informative. So we're going to get started here. We're going to set it up. We're going to set up a couple different camera angles, and we're just going to run through. I'm done talking. Let's just see how reliable my BCM 5.56 rifle is. Don't fail me, sweetheart, because I love these rifles. Let's get started. All right, guys, here we go. Let's get this party started. First 5 magazines down. Let's let it cool off, grab another 5, and repeat until we cause a failure. We are 100% viewer supported through Patreon, and there is a link down below if you'd like to support us in our efforts to bring you the best, most unbiased information that we possibly can. Another great way to support us is to swing by our Forge from Freedom t-shirt store and pick up one of our new t-shirts, like this new CNN shirt. And again, there's a link down below, and that directly supports us here at the Military Arms Channel. So we're 5 bags in of the Lancers. Now we have 5 magazines of the Sure Feeds from OK Industries. And let's resume. Well, let it cool down a couple of minutes. It's getting toasty. And it's about 65 degrees today. Five more mags, no issues. Let it cool off, and we'll do it again. This time we have a mix of Lancers, and we have 4 Lancers and 1 Sure Feed. And here we go. Another 5 down. I love this job. We're only letting this thing cool off maybe 5 minutes, so we're going to run 1,000 rounds to this thing in a half hour or so. All right. Here we go again. Mix of Lancers and Sure Feeds, and a mix of M193 ball and some Fiocchi, both 55 grain. That's a Lancer issue. There we go. Another 5. Once again, guys, we got a mix of magazines and ammunition. And in case you're wondering, this is a mid-length gas system on the rifle. All right, here we go. Another 5 down. Let's let her cool off. We're almost done. 1,000 rounds in 35 minutes or so. We're going all in. We have 8 magazines left, 8 30 rounders, and we have 1 magazine with 10 rounds in it to round it out to an even 1,000 rounds. All in, all 8 mags right now. Let's do this. A mix of mags and ammo once again. 10 rounder. More than 10 in that, Jason, I think. Last mag. 1,000 rounds. Woo, that's hot. All done. 1,000 rounds, no malfunctions, and that's different ammo, Fiocchi, M193 ball from Federal, and Sure Feed magazines and Lancers. And so, that concludes this evolution of testing. We will now let this thing cool off, wrap it in tape, and then we'll start all over again next time. All right, guys, we'll show you us wrapping it in tape so you can see that. If you would like to support us here at the Military Arms Channel, a great way to do that, swing by Copper Custom where you can check out rifles like the BCM. Also, we are Twitch gamers. If you'd like to join us on Twitch, you can do that by following the link down below. And if you're a Patreon supporter, you can join us in some live streams. Guys, thanks for 11 years of support. We'll talk to you guys soon, but don't leave just yet because you're going to want to see us wrap this thing in tape. That'll be last. She's all cooled off, and let's go ahead and drop the bolt, close the port cover, and take our handy tape. It's a little bit oily. All right. So we can't get into it. It is April 11th. So you can see the writing on there. Next time you see this thing, we'll have another 1,000 rounds or so loaded up, maybe more, because this went by awfully quick. And we will continue our testing. See you soon.